Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly adjust image saturation in Canva on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Do you want to make your photos look more vibrant, colorful, or muted? Well, Canva makes it pretty easy to adjust image saturation across devices. Saturation controls the intensity of the colors in an image, so increasing it can make colors appear richer and more vivid, while lowering it can create a softer, more subdued appearance. That's it. Let's get started. So first off, I'm going to show you how to perfectly adjust image saturation in Canva on your iPhone and Android device. First, launch the Canva app on your device and then open any image. After that, you have to tap on the image in question and reveal the editing tools. After that, you have to tap on the Adjust tab located at the bottom. Then you have to swipe to choose the saturation option. After that, you have to use the slider to perfectly adjust the image saturation to your heart's liking. And once you are satisfied with the result, make sure to hit the tick mark to confirm the action. And that's about it. Now let's learn how to perfectly adjust image saturation in Canva on your computer. First, launch the Canva app on your device or open it in a browser. After that, we have to head over to the image in question. Then you have to click on the image to bring up the editing tools. After that, you have to click on the edit button located at the top. Then you have to click on the Adjust tab. Then you have to scroll to the color section to find the saturation slider. Then you have to drag it to the right to boost the color or to the left to lower it down to your heart's liking. And that's about it. Adjusting image saturation in Canva gives you much greater control over how your photos look and how they fit into your overall design. One of the biggest advantages of this feature is that you can enhance dull looking images and make their colors appear more vibrant without needing advanced photo editing skills or a separate editing application. At the same time, you can lower the saturation when a photo feels too colorful or distracting, helping you create a softer and more balanced appearance. This feature is also extremely useful for maintaining visual consistency. For instance, if you are creating social media posts, presentations, thumbnails, posters, or marketing materials, you can adjust the saturation of different images so they complement one another instead of looking mismatched. You can even use subtle saturation changes to create a particular mood, such as making an image feel energetic and colorful or calm and understated. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily adjust image saturation in Canva on your iPhone, Android, and computer to your heart's liking. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.